How to buy Google Play gift cards online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can buy Google Play gift cards online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open a browser in your device. After that, you have to go to a trusted website or platform that may be Amazon, PayPal or any other gift card website. So in this video, we will see how we can buy Google Play gift card through an Amazon. So once you open a browser, head towards www.amazon.com. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, now in the search bar, type in Google Play gift card and then search for it. After you search for Google Play gift card, here you have multiple search results. Among these, you have to get to the first option, that is Google Play gift card. Now from here, scroll down a bit and then you have to select the gift card amount right here. Once you're done with that, there are other informations that you have to provide. So make sure to fill up all of this information. And once you're done with that, scroll down a bit. Here you have all of this information regarding their product. Then once you are done providing your information, you'll be prompted to add to cart and checkout. Add the selected card to your cart. Then you can choose the email delivery option if you want to receive the code instantly. Then provide your email address, proceed to payment. Now under the payment method, you can add your credit or debit card. You can also include your PayPal or any other banking methods that you can use to make a payment. Once you're done with your transaction, and if your transaction is successfully, you will receive the Google Play code via email. So in that case, you have to open up your Google Play application, go to the menu and head towards the payment and subscriptions. There, head towards the redeem code and enter the code to add the balance. So in this way, you can buy Google Play gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.